Alrighty, here is my audience. Yay. Okay, hello. My name is Casey Burns, and today I will be giving you guys a persuasive speech on being an omnivore. In the just released Vegetarianism in America study, published by the Vegetarian Times, both of which I assure you are real things, it was inversely stated that 96.8% of U.S. adults are omnivores. Through my personal experience, alongside the research of many health experts and scientists, I would like to persuade all of you, whether you are already openly omnivore or not, to the benefits of leading an omnivore lifestyle. I have been a successful omnivore for at minimum 20 of my 22 years in existence. Due to my interest in living a healthy, well-rounded lifestyle, of my diet being utmost importance to living a healthy lifestyle, I try to base all of my decisions, my dietary decisions, on scientific evidence. Diet is a very large aspect of not only my health, but everyone's health. I feel compelled to enlighten you, as there are many aspects of the omnivore lifestyle that have been misconceived and misunderstood. Health is something we are all concerned about to some extent. While I know that not every decision we make is a healthy decision, and it's not always easy to be healthy, especially when it comes to diet, it is very important to maintain a healthy diet in order to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Being a good omnivore improves your health with very basic steps. A healthy diet improves all other aspects of your health, and being an omnivore provides an easy gateway to a well-rounded and healthy lifestyle. To make the benefits clear and compelling, I will go over several aspects. I will cover what it means to be a good omnivore and dispel some controversies. I will explain the bodily requirements that being an omnivore fulfills, and I will introduce drawbacks of replacing an omnivore diet with supplements. To start with, meat. Eating unprocessed meat. A massive study from Harvard collected data from 20 different studies with 1,218,380 individuals. They found zero association between unprocessed meat and cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Europe also held a study with 450,000 people, slightly smaller, but found the exact same results, or very similar results. Both found a significant increase with an association with cardiovascular disease and diabetes in those people that ate processed meat. So please note the difference between unprocessed and processed meat. There is zero evidence that avoiding meat has any health benefits whatsoever. Vegetarians tend to be healthier, not because they don't eat meat, but because they take more consideration into what they're putting into their bodies. They have to look closely at their diet to make sure they are getting all of the vitamins that meat would generally give them. Being an omnivore also does not mean eating an excessive amount of meat. Just as you would balance any other serving size in any other food group, you also need to balance serving sizes in the meat group. It is also said that being a vegetarian and therefore cutting out meat is far better for the environment. But rotating land between grazing and farming is far more sustainable, as overfarming can lead to land not producing any amount of food. It becomes uninhabitable for plants. Humans have a shorter digestive system than herbivores, which have specialized organs to digest cellulose, which is the main fiber in plants. I would like to introduce you to several vitamins that we cannot break down in plant form and must get from meat. Cobalamin vitamin serves the brain and nervous system and the formation of blood. This is not found in plants. B12 is not found in plants at all and helps with nerve and blood cell health. Creatine forms energy reserves in muscles and is only found in animals. Those found to be deficient in creatine had reduced physical and mental performances. Carnosine, an antioxidant, protects against degenerative diseases and is once again only found in meat. These are just some of the vitamins that are important. Active forms of omega-3 is something we can get from plants, but active forms of omega-3 are only found in meat, are the only ones that the body can efficiently digest. The body is inefficient in converting the plant form of omega-3. In order to maintain a balanced diet while cutting out the entire food group of meat, you lose the full benefits through supplements, if that's what you're going to take. The mass amount of supplements necessary to replace all of the vitamins you would get naturally in meat is more than you could handle. It is far more than any one person. It is not just replacing 1 or 2 vitamins or just replacing protein. There's far more nutrients that you're missing out on. The cost is far greater for supplements, and they don't taste good. An easy way to maintain a balanced diet is by being an omnivore. Cutting out meat complicates your health and, as has been shown, has 0 health benefits. Avoiding processed foods, including meats, is very important to your health. It is important to responsibly partake in every other food group, and therefore is important to responsibly partake in the meat group. Meeting your dietary needs in the most natural way possible holds the greatest amount of benefits for your health. Once again, the full potential of vitamins is lost when you're getting them through supplements. You wouldn't cut out any other food group entirely because of concern for your health, so don't cut out meat. Understandably, there are many people who do not like the texture or taste of meat, but seeing as it is just important to eat meat as, say, your vegetables, I strongly encourage you to, as my mother always said, eat your meat. Thank you.
Bravo! Wonderful. Wow. Life-changing.
7 minutes!